All right, hello everybody. So my name is Chantel Erkenbrack, and I'm going to be showing you the website I created this past semester for my photography business called Chantel E Photography. So this is going to be the homepage right here. As you see my logo, and you have options right here within and on. There we go. You have the options. You have the hover effect, I guess, when the mouse goes over it. You'll see I have a main image. I feel like it's a nice welcoming thing for my website. I have a little bit about my business. I showcase some images right here, and I have philosophy. This is basically what makes me different and sets me apart from other photographers and other creatives that I associate with, and I am also with in the area. So at the bottom of my footer, you'll see active links to all my social media accounts, as well as a link to email, to my style guide and practice, and also the copyright. So that's my homepage. If we head over to I do couples, weddings, and portraits, and while I do, other things with photography, those are things I specialize in and want to advertise. For the couples, as you'll see, I do another spotlight image. That's basically what I call it. I just like how it introduces the page. It's a really nice, welcoming image for each theme, I guess you could say. As far as couples go, I just talk about why I like to shoot couples. I have some images here, and I have my pricing guide. I designed this, and I add my prices in here. And then also what I did different is I add my client review, some of my client reviews down at the bottom. These clients are all from people that I've done couple shoots for, and then again you have the footer. Next we have weddings. So you'll see a really cool image. See some photos from a wedding, packages, again the links down here. I also do portraits, so we're going to have the highlight image right here, some examples, and again the packages and client reviews. I have my about page, so it kind of introduces me, what makes me different, the focuses on the areas that I service and everything, and it also encourages my clients to let me be part of capturing their story. As far as my contact page goes, I got some critiques saying that the wide span thing people weren't a fan of it. I personally like how it goes all the way across. I just feel like there's not any wasted space. And then people don't feel like they have to write really, what do you call it, cram a bunch of words into something. And so basically this is just simple things that help me. I encourage my clients that are looking into weddings to fill this out, because as far as the shoot and the event date and something, I want to hear more about them and how they found me and everything. So that's basically my website. My design principles and decisions basically go along that I want to showcase my work, and I want to sell myself through my work, so my clients can see what makes me different from other photographers in the way that I have my clients interact with each other and whatnot. Something that I learned the most throughout this course, throughout this semester, is basically I think I was able to build confidence in myself. I didn't think I could do something like this. I did want to make a website, though, that was not just your ordinary, it was just a box and then just some text, super simple. I wanted to make this something I envisioned to be something I'll use for a long time. I wanted to make it something I was proud of, and I feel like I did just that, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. The most difficult thing, I think, was actually doing that, was personalizing it in so much how I wanted it. Just getting the little things, having this go all the way across, or having, the social media links, or I don't know. I just feel like it was envisioning the whole thing, putting it all together was a little difficult at first, but obviously I was able to get that. So that is my website. I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I'm glad I was able to show you what it looks like.